Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to give remote control in Google Meet. You want someone else to control your screen during a Google Meet session for tech support, collaboration, or demo. So while Google Meet doesn't natively let you hand off mouse and keyboard control, you can achieve it seamlessly using the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. So let me just walk you through exactly how to set it up. All within your browser. So first note, Google Meet itself has no built-in remote control feature. You must use Chrome Remote Desktop or similar to enable it. So in Chrome, just go to Chrome Remote Desktop extension page, which we're going to get into right away. Okay. So in your browser, go ahead and type remotedesktop.google.com. And once you do, that's going to take you right into this page. Or you can also head over to Chrome extension and on the Chrome extension web, just go ahead and download it as an extension. So once you're in, go ahead and click on share my screen, and you see that you're going to see this option. So no thanks, thank you. So you have to share the screen, and you have connect. You have two options: connect to another computer, and you have share this screen. So I'm gonna have to click on share the screen, but now it says to let someone else access and control this computer, you have to download it. So I have to download this app, which I have not downloaded yet. So like I said, for you to skip this process, you can just download it on the extension, like directly in the extension. So I'm just going to click on add to Chrome, and I'm going to select add extension and see how that adds. It's downloading, of course. Okay, not syncing anything, thank you. All right, so I have successfully gone through the process of downloading the Chrome Remote Desktop. So now that I'm here, go ahead and under share the screen, go ahead and click on generate code. Now Chrome Remote Desktop will create a 12-digit access code. You will share this next. Now look at the code. It says it expires in 4 minutes. So go ahead and click on copy link or copy to clipboard. And once you do that, the next step is head over to Google Meet. So in your Google Meet call, go ahead and once you're in your Google Meet call, you can select new meeting to start your meeting. So I'm going to click on start an instant meeting, and that's going to take me to the meetings window. All right, we're joining. So in the Google Meet call, you're going to have to click on the chat icon, which is represented by a speech bubble. I'm waiting for this link to open, just open. So it is located at the bottom right corner. So go ahead and click that, chat with everyone. Now in here, you're going to have to paste. Just go ahead and paste the 12-digit code into the chat and press enter. Now tell the participant that you want to have access to, that you want to give the remote controls to, right? Tell that participant to copy that code. So the remote user will also install and open the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. They're going to select remote support. Then they're going to select paste your 12-digit code under connect to another computer, and they're going to select connect. So once I enter the code, you'll see a prompt asking to allow remote control. Click share, and after you click share, the participants can control your mouse and keyboard just like sitting at your PC. To end control, either party click stop sharing on the Chrome Remote Desktop toolbar or closes the tab. So that's it. Now go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped your search.